on the side of the road. Let's get back in my car a minute. It is it is so windy. So there we go. So I've come. It was a lovely day, but I didn't realise it was quite so windy. But I am halfway up a mountain, as they say. I've decided that today is one of the days that I'm gonna tick off one of the trig points that I've not done in the Brecon Beacons. Oh, I better shut the mic. Hang on, the boot is. It's that windy there. The boot was lifting up with the wind. Yeah, so I've decided that I'm going to do one of the trig points that I've not done in the Brecon Beacons. There are 52, I think, altogether, and on calculations I reckon I've done about 40. Now I haven't got photographic evidence that I have done 40, but the ones that I've done, I basically know that I've done them over 25-30 years. So I was looking and I'm thinking, this is one that I've not done. It's the most westerly in the Brecon Beacons as far as I can tell, and if I could just open my map I would tell you what it is. I think it's called Tair, Carn, Isaf, which is lower. So it's not actually the lowest, it's not the highest point here. As I look it up the hill, it sort of flattens out and then I can see beyond it. So I'm taking, I don't know why they would put a trig point lower than the actual highest point in that vicinity. I can't find my maps a minute. Hang on. Right, yeah. It's called Tair, Carn, Isaf, and it's 460 meters. I'll just put a screen dump on the screen now so you'll be able to see where I am, and then you'll notice that Tair, Carn, Isaf, which is higher, is 482 meters. Now I'm parked, and if I just do a screen dump, I'm parked where the little red arrow is, and I'm just going to walk up there. So it's not a long distance, I think it's about a mile. So I'm just above, if you look on the map, I'm just above a place called Glanaman and Garnant. A couple of villages I've not really been through. So as I said, it is right on the, so I'm not actually very far from Carrickkennin Castle. I'm not going to do any talking on the way up because it's windy and I don't want to put the microphone on, so I'll just do some video footage on the way up and when I'm up on the top. So let's go and tick off this trig point. Oh, so I just spoke to the guy whose space I had in the car park, and car park is down there, and he said it should take about half an hour to get to the trig point. So I walked another 20 yards, looked to my left because there's where the fire is burning, and now I can see Carrickkennin in the distance.